This is the new LiteChaser 16 slim case. I'm gonna tell you why we built it. First reason we built this, we just wanted a really slim, low profile case that was gonna allow you to get our filters in front of your iPhone 16 lens. Two, we wanted to give you guys a few different color options to work with. So we got purple, blue, green, and a full black. So you don't have to be locked into the smoke color or the clear color we had on the Pro case or the base case. Three, we just wanted to give you guys the option to purchase the case only so you didn't have to be locked into grabbing the flip down defender and the grip that are both included on the Pro case and the base case. Quick features on this case, it's got the attachable wrist strap so you can throw it on one of the corners down there if you're into that kind of thing. It's got the 2x strength magnet array built in here, so that's gonna both wirelessly charge as well as be a rock solid connection for all your MagSafe mounts. The buttons are fully enclosed, so it's gonna protect all the dust, dirt, water from getting into those buttons. The only open one is on the camera capture button that no one uses, but that's just open so you have full tactile connection to that. And of course, it's got the quick slide mechanism up here for mounting your filters or lenses super fast and easy. That's gonna work with all the LiteChaser 15 and 16 lenses and filters. We got them in both sizes for the iPhone 16 Pro. We got it in the Pro and the bigger Pro Max. So choose your color, choose your case size, and choose your filters. Start cooking. Now, if you made it this far, comment below what your favorite color is. Mine's purple. I wanna see what you guys think. See ya.